How to activate CommBank Card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser, then search for CommBank. Now you want to head over to this first website, which is commbank.com.au. Once you're on this page, click on the log on option and select NetBank Logon. That's going to take you to the logon portal where you will have to enter your client number and password. Start by entering your client number on the first box. Then on the second box, enter your password. Now, if you want your client number to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Client Number. Then click on the Log On option. In case you have forgotten your log on details, click on this link in order to retrieve it. Click on the Register link to register to NetBank. Once you have been logged onto your account, if you want to activate your CommBank card, you will first have to register for Netcode. Netcode is a one-time security code sent to your mobile phone by push notification or SMS used to confirm certain transactions and tasks in NetBank. In order to register, you want to select Settings and then Netcode. Your netcode will only last for 2 minutes. For added security, you should delete the notification after use. After the registration, head over to your NetBank account. Under Security, select Card Activation. Then enter the 4 digits of your card. Then click on Check. Enter and confirm your PIN. Then select Set PIN. Now click on Get Netcode. Enter your netcode and then click on the Activate option. After your card has been activated, you will receive a notification confirming the activation. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.